You ever notice how Christmas Eve in a Jamaica different? Big square full of people, last minute shopping, sound system about, grill smoke rise up, and every little picnic I run down sorrel and toy. But this Christmas Eve, something happened, something we still talk about to this day. It was the eve of Christmas, everybody there bout Mass join at the corner with him foreign friends come out. Them fly down from England, Windrush generation pride. All of them dep on the corner reminisce about old time life. Sorrel in a cup, white rum in a flask. Mass just set a night off for the good old days with Mass. But as him sip and sip and sip again, so him start rock side to side like breeze a blow. Me no know how him get brave, but when Mass Joe balance the beer buckle pon him head, the whole crowd say, how way the man a try. Chicken must fly this Christmas night, laughter bust out underneath the street light. Mass just stumble belly full of rum vibe, and the jerk pan drop, chaos come alive. Fly chicken fly, in a merry eye. It's Christmas in a the square, pure comedy tonight. Baba they a jerk pan, seasoning nice and loud. All square smelly chicken, pulling the crowd. But Mass just spin trip, tumble like him slipping oil. Next thing braff, jerk pan go over on the side. Chicken leg fly, straight in a somebody mouth. One wing lick, merry phone and knock out the soul. Baba start bar, look on me. People a pick up chicken like treasure in the street. One lady ball out, it's Christmas, chicken happy fly. And when Baba chased them, all him find was ones. Everybody else did done wipe them out long. Chicken must fly this Christmas night. Jerking smoke turned to pure fist fight. Mass Joe stand up with him facing shame. Everybody know him wife can't hear this fly. Chicken fly. As somebody nyam your tie, as somebody nyam your tie. Only in Jamaica same way. His friends grab him quick before the whole thing leak. Them say, Joe, remember your wife, she not like embarrassment, not even a little bit. So them walking way fast before rumors spread fast. Baba still a ball and a clean up the mess. Jerk pan empty crowd full and blessed. Chicken must fly this Christmas night. Whole town laugh till them stomach tight. From Windrush stories to jerk pan woes, everybody know about the Christmas joke. Fly chicken fly till about the rich sky. And from that day come straight till now, Mass Joe never drink on Christmas Eve again. So if you ever pass through the square on Christmas Eve and you smell jerk chicken roasting in the breeze, just know Baba still guarding him pan like Fort Knox. And Mass Joe, him stick to sorrow without the extra spirit. Merry Christmas, Jamaica, and watch out, 'cause chicken's still flying every year.